What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the Santa hat for your Snapchat Bitmoji. So as you can see, I have the hat up here on the top, so pretty much anywhere in the Snapchat app where the Bitmoji avatars appear, you will have a Santa hat. So first you want to tap on this big yellow icon up here, your snap code. Then it's going to open up some options. You can hit edit Bitmoji, and then it's going to give you some more options. And you want to go to edit My Bitmoji. If you don't have a Bitmoji, check out some of my previous videos. They show you exactly how to create one. I think pretty much everyone that uses Snapchat has one at this point. But then down here on the bottom of the screen, we want to scroll sideways and we want to go to the hat section. And then I think it's all the way down at the bottom. You can pick the Santa hat. I'm not sure if this is only seasonal. It might go away after the holidays. Maybe not, who knows? Maybe it's there forever. But that's how to pick the Santa hat, and then you just want to hit the check mark in the top right corner. And you're all set. You can also go to choose a selfie and pick a different style here if you want. You can see in this middle row here, they've added some Christmas or holiday themed selfies, so maybe that's something you're into. Just want to point out that those are there as well. I think I'm going to go with this one. That was pretty funny. But there you have it, how to get the Santa hat for your Snapchat Bitmoji. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.